Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonye, aka NdiNaija. Ja. I'm here to draft up my annual fees for 2021. And I was meant to put a sticker for the sticker to have 2021. In case you're new to my channel, I do budgeting videos, I do planning, organization videos. I also do some tech reviews on the side. Yes, I do some tech reviews. And I do US immigration related videos. It's a whole smorgasbord of stuff. But hope you stick around. So I like to use stickers because I am an adult 5-year-old. Actually, everybody should like stickers. They're cute, they're pretty, you can use them to talk about how you feel, use them to encourage yourself. I'll get off my soapbox about stickers for now. I just need to put these down. This sticker book is from Target. Yes, it is from Target, the Target dollar spot, and it was $3. Yeah, so I missed putting this down. I think I'll just put these down and call you all back, or come back to you all. 1 second. Alrighty, annual fees 2021. I'll take this out of here so that I can be free to write as I like. So, setting up for this, I'm going to use, nope, not what I expected. Where are my, I also like to use coloring pencils and such, just in case you're wondering. I will not be using that. Okay. Annual fees. I need to know how much I need to pay for different things this year. This is my start of my sinking funds setup. In case you don't know what sinking funds are is a way to save for events, items, fees that you know are coming up. Some of them have a time limit, some of them do not have a time limit. For me, the very first part of my sinking funds are annual fees. I have memberships to different places, and I have some fees that have to be paid annually, and subscriptions as well. So I will put down basically what each of these items are. So I'm going to use this and just, let's see, this will be where I'll put the fee, the due, whatever's the category and everything. Then we'll have the month that it's due, we'll have the amount and cost per month, and we're also going to have what I did pay previously. Let's see if any of that would change. So this would be the fee or fund. Fee or fund. This would be due date, amount, cost per month. I get paid once a month, so any of my fees or anything that I'm doing, I do them per month. This will actually be notes. This doesn't need to be anything else. I will start with HOA dues, because this is the first one. HOA dues. I think I also have, no, I'm sorry. I made a huge mistake. It doesn't matter. This is why whiteout was invented. We will begin with tax filing. We'll begin with the newest. I'm not editing this video, so whatever you guys see, you guys take. Let's zoom in. Yeah, and we will begin here. My CCCA membership. This is brand new because I'm taking an exam this year and I intend to pay, let's see. I intend to pay this month, so I'll start the savings for next year. So it's $275. I'll leave the calculation till we write it all in. So I have the CCCA membership, I have my tax filing. Tax filing, that is due in February? When are you due? February. I keep making mistakes, y'all. I am making so many mistakes. Why am I making so many mistakes? Hold on one second. I apologize, people. I've been a bit turned around here lately. But I should not have whited out this tax filing. I'll keep it the way I did last year. And if you want to see that video, I will put it up in the cards. This is due in February, March. And the cost is $250. And after this, I'm going to put my car registration. I'll just basically put everything down, okay? So we have that. I also have an OSO paper membership. OSO paper. So I have, do I have HOA dues? I do not have the HOA dues written. The HOA dues should be in here because they happen every year. What else happens every year? That is it. That's it that I can think of. All right, my car registration is due in March. Yeah, it's due at the end of March. And that is about, last year it was maybe $85 plus tax. I'm going to put that at 115. I think I had 111 written in last year. Home warranty is due in July. I'm sorry, that's due in June. And that one is 650. That's an estimate. Sam's Club is due in April. That one is $120. Amazon Prime, when are you due? Amazon Prime is due in like March. That's also $120. Microsoft Office is due in August. Nope, I was wrong about Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is due in July. Yikes. Amazon Prime is due in July. MS Office is due in August. TubeBuddy is due in October. Canva, because I changed that, that will be due in November. This one's due in November. USPS is due twice a year, in January and in May. Yeah. OSO paper is due in August. HOA dues are due in, whoops, that should be January. Normally I would arrange this in order of month going top down, but I'm not going to do this here. This is rough. This is what we're going to get. Most people do not do a whole spread, and right now I'm taking it easy on myself, and yeah, I'm taking it easy on myself, and bare minimum, y'all, bare minimum. Bare minimum. That's what I'm giving to you. I'm giving myself 100%. How about that? Okay, MS Office. How much is the Microsoft? I pay like $99. We'll make that 100. TubeBuddy is 185. Canva, the Canva price went up this last payment, so this, I'm gonna make this 135. It was 120 the previous time that I bought it. Our Family Wizard, that's also 120. PO Box is $65 each of these times, so we'll make that 130. OSO paper is 165. HOA dues is 185, and I'm rounding that up. So that's the total, or that's that. Let's put a total down. Hey, let's do this. How about that? Yeah, looks nice. Total of the annual fees, $275 plus Oh, Jehovah Nisi. 2,550. I should use the thicker part of this pen. 2,550. I think I'll do that for all of these just so I can see this properly. Due date, amount, and amount per month. So the next thing to do would be to calculate how much is needed per month. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's because at the end of this, I'll come up with a total amount for my fees for every year. These are things I know that are going to come up. They're not going to change. I need to budget for this every single month, and this, like I said earlier, this is the start of my sinking funds. In my next video, you'll see the other things that make up my sinking funds and how I space these out, because I don't use that payment and say this is my membership or annual fees and have that as a line item for my sinking funds. So you have to stick around for the next video. So CCCA membership, that's $275 a year. Divide that by 12. We would call it $23 per month, because, you know, gotta round up. Tax filing is $250, and we'll call that $21 a month. Also, paper is $14 a month, and my HOA dues is $16 a month. I think I've been doing $17 a month. So I have here total to tell. And the total equals 23. $217 a month. I'm exclaiming because, yeah. I'm exclaiming because I'm thinking that this is one line item in my subscription budget, but it is not. It is not. So let's zoom you all back out. So that's it, y'all. That's the video for today. Annual fees 2021, $217. Stick around for the $217 per month. Stick around for the next video, and I'll show you how this gets incorporated into my overall budget. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Do you do a spread of your annual fees? If you don't already, I would say it's a necessity, because these amounts are going to come. You need to prepare for it, and there is no need to be surprised by these amounts. If you prepare a little bit every month, when it comes to the time that it's due, you will be home free and no need to stress your budget for that month at all. So thank you guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye.